When the power goes out or there's a boil water advisory, you want answers fast. That's where our updated outage map comes in. You can find it anytime at cityutilities.net or by logging into City Utilities MyAccount. We made improvements to give you clearer updates and more accurate information, showing what's happening across the community. And now our map shows more than ever. Electric outages and water alerts are now all in one place. Toggle between electric outages and boil water advisories to turn them both on depending on what you want to see. To see what's happening near you, just zoom in on the map or search your address. If there's an electric outage in your area, you'll see it highlighted. Click to get more details. This is where you'll find the status of repair in that area. When the power goes out, there may be multiple repairs that need to be made in an area to get the power back on for all. The pop-out shows the total number of repairs in each stage of restoration. You might see pending assessment. This is the number of repair jobs that are waiting on a crew to take a look. Under assessment, a crew is investigating the cause to see what repairs need to be made. Tree work in progress. Crews are clearing trees or branches, and repairs underway. Crews are actively fixing the problem. These updates help tell the full story of what's happening around you as we work to restore service. If you're using the outage map on your phone, it works the same way. Use your fingers to zoom in and move around the map, or tap the search bar to find your address. Click the home button to recenter the map. Tap on any shaded area to bring up outage details. To switch between electric outages and water alerts, tap the legend button. You might notice the outage shapes look a little unusual. That's because they follow what we call feeder boundaries, which reflect how electricity is delivered across the system. Each feeder typically serves about 1,000 to 2,000 customers. So while shapes may seem unusual, we're bringing you a more accurate map and one that reflects what our crews see in the field. You can also turn on water safety alerts to see boil water advisories. If there's an advisory, you'll see the exact affected addresses. For security reasons, electric outages don't show specific addresses on the map. But if you want details about your home, including estimated restoration times, log into MyAccount. Here you can also sign up for outage notifications to get updates by text, email, or push notification. MyAccount is also the best way to report an outage and make sure we have accurate information tied to your address. Don't have MyAccount? No problem. You can also report outages by phone at 888-863-9001. The all-new City Utilities Outage Map, designed to give you a clearer picture of what's happening across the community so you can stay informed every step of the way.